Hello and welcome back to the Welsh Company. It's not a beer review today. It's pretty much an unboxing, isn't it?
Ooh, an unboxing.
Because I basically want a fermentation unit to brew my beer and then have it as a fridge again and have a beer pump. Now this beer pump is no good. Well, it is good. It's so clean, isn't it? When we did the video on it before,
really clean.
To have a look at it, it's really clean. It's a Mason's one, but it is the cylinderless one. So you have to have a gas pump or something to go with it, which I don't really want. So I'm going to get rid of this one and put one with a cylinder on, which I've got a refurbished one that I've bought, which is an Engram. So that can come off and get rid of that.
We'll be selling this, so if you want it, drop us a message, make us an offer.
And where the fridge is concerned, this is the third one. The first one we bought without seeing, didn't we? It was delivered to us and it had a freezer unit in it. So that was no, or a freezer compartment, that was no good. The second one was a good one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Black one, it was nice.
Perfect.
Cookology one, I think it was. And everybody on YouTube and the research I did said it's fine to drill in the side of the wall to get the beer line in. But I drilled through the side and it went through a pipe. And there's the pipe.
And what did my lady say?
Plonker.
No, after that.
Well,
plug it in and see if it works anyway.
Yeah, that's not a good idea. So now we've got a third one, which I haven't drilled yet, but I'm doing some research on it. I'm trying to get the schematic diagram for it. So that's that. So the things we need to go with it is a thermostat control, a heater to install in the fridge, all the beer lines and accessories, and then the beer pump. So the first one we got is Inkbird, which is the thermostat control. So you plug the fridge into it and the heater, set the temperature, and it will keep it at that temperature by kicking in the heater or the fridge unit.
Well, depending what it needs.
Yeah.
To either heat up or cool down.
Yeah, basically once it gets too cold, the heater will kick in.
And how much is an Inkbird?
I think this one, this is the one that is, you get the app on the mobile, on your mobile phone, on which you've got. So you can set the temperature wherever you are.
Oh, okay.
So basically that's the Inkbird unit. I'm not sure how it all works yet. But you set the temperature and it tells you, I think it tells you what the current temperature is and then what you set it at. So there is a probe, so that's got to go into the fridge because it has to go into the fermentation unit, fermentation bucket.
Okay.
So you know what the temperature is. Obviously it plugs into the wall and then you plug your heater in, that one, and the fridge in that one. So I'm going to probably put this on the wall there somewhere so I can see the temperature at looking. Excuse me. So that is the Inkbird. Instructions. That's that one.
Which, to be fair, Rob will actually read the instructions.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people don't, including me.
They can't be asked. Right, so this should be a heater. Tube heater. Should be. It's a Dimplex one, I think.
I'm hoping it is because you haven't opened any of them. So
I haven't
hopefully
opened
they are what
anything
they are.
yet. We've had the Inkbird and this for a few weeks now. Right, the stands. There we go. So again, this has got to somehow get through into the fridge.
Looks like a lightsaber.
Looks like a what?
A lightsaber.
What's that?
On,
Like Darth Vader
yeah.
wand thing.
yeah.
So these, I guess we just, I'm not sure how you fit them on.
Nice clip on.
No, it's too,
Oh.
I'll figure it out. Oh, this probably comes out. Yeah, there's a screw in there, so you take that out and this comes apart.
Oh, okay.
That's fine. That's just the stand, isn't it? There's two of them, so that'll sit in the back of the fridge. So that's the heater.
So we've got the ink there, got the heater.
That's all the temperatures taken care of.
What's next?
I think it's the accessories, which I got from, where did I get it from? I think it was, I thought it was Mason's. Yeah, I got it from Mason's, all the accessories. So we have hose stem, hose clips, V top connector, check valve and insulated beer line.
I don't know how clear that was, but
Yeah, we haven't got grips with focusing properly yet, have we?
no. I haven't got the grips of holding it on for so long. My arms start to ache.
Oh, is it? Okay, so that's the V-top connector.
Okay.
That basically goes on to, because when I brew the beer, I'm going to transfer it into a beer in a bag, which you can also buy beer from breweries in those. And this clips onto the tap. You know the little taps they got on them?
Yeah.
This clicks onto it and then the beer line goes on there. This is the check valve, non-return valve. So that stops the beer just coming through on your beer pump.
Okay.
It's a non-return valve. And then we have some Jubilee clips, standard. Just a straight pipe, and the reason I've bought that is because I bought 2 lengths of beer line. They came in 2 metre lengths, and mine is just over that. It's about 2.7 the run, so I needed to connect them. So there's one beer line. It's insulated, so it helps keep the beer cool that's in a line. And there's the other, and they both come with connectors. And that's it for that box. So that's all the accessories. Then we come to the exciting thing, the beer pump, which, like I said, is a refurbished one that I actually got on eBay. And it's an anagram one. What's the unit called?
A what one? Anagram?
Yeah, anagram. Same make as that. Look.
Oh, okay.
Anagram.
The absolute draft experience.
Yes, I didn't expect it to come in an anagram box
Why?
because it's reconditioned.
Oh,
And it's not from the company itself.
from a private seller?
Yeah, just an individual, I think.
Hope he's not disappointed.
Yes, let's hope. What have you got in here? Well, there's the spout. Drip tray.
Ooh.
This is the pump handle, I think. Yeah. Just the black one. This is all you want, really, isn't it?
Yes.
And then we have the drip tray frame. hoping this is nice and clean. Should be. It's all been refilled.
Everything else you've taken out.
Da-da.
Woohoo! Clean. That looks very nice, Rob.
Yeah, it looks alright, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And actually this one, as opposed to that one, there's not a lot that hangs over this side of the bar on my side.
Okay.
The other one came out further,
Yeah.
but it does look very clean, doesn't it?
Mm. Oh,
It's all,
sorry, it's my flip flop squeaking.
all spot on, isn't it?
Yeah, that's good.
Oh god, that's so easy compared to that one. That one was really hard.
Do that again. Nice.
So all the I forget what it's called now. I said it at the beginning of the video, didn't I? When I said that one didn't have one.
Yeah.
That's all been redone anyway. All new seals in it. Everything's, well, it looks brand new, doesn't it? To be honest.
It does look really clean.
And this is obviously all been redone, sanded, everything's spot on, isn't it?
Very good.
So I just got to put it together now. Which I've never done one of these before. Should I try and do that, or should we do it on another video?
It's up to you.
Yeah, we'll finish it there, and we'll do another one where I put it all together and put it on the bar. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's everything I need to get my whole system up and running. To brew beer and then dispense it. So the next video might be me putting this together, or it'll be a beer review. So until next time, cheers.